During last year's neighborhood Easter egg hunt, a Reddit user, Ben, shared a story that captivated hearts and sparked joyous discussions. As the children enthusiastically searched for candy-filled eggs, Ben's playful cat, Whiskers, decided it was the perfect time for a sneaky adventure. Unknown to everyone, Whiskers begins collecting and relocating eggs, crafting his secret stash under the porch. As the hunt progressed, kids grew increasingly puzzled by the dwindling number of eggs, shifting the event into a hilarious search for the elusive feline culprit. The neighborhood eventually discovered Whiskers' clever antics, turning the mishap into a heartwarming and community bonding moment filled with laughter and surprises.